Laptops are really amazing, but they are also very expensive, just like a new bike. If a laptop breaks, fixing it can cost a lot of money, or worse, it might never work again. Remember, Daddy still has to pay your school fees. But here's the thing, many kids don't even know they're doing things that slowly ruin the laptop every single day. If you ever use Daddy's laptop for school, games, or watching videos, you need to be extra careful. Welcome to Absolute Kids, the place where you learn fun and important tech tips to help you use gadgets the right way. Today, we're going to show you 6 habits that can spoil a laptop and what to do instead. You don't want to be the one who breaks Daddy's laptop, do you? Let's get started. Habit 1. Eating and drinking near the laptop. Junior, do you ever eat snacks while using a laptop? It may seem harmless, but tiny food crumbs can get stuck inside the keyboard and make the keys stop working. Even worse, if you spill juice or water on the laptop, it could shut down forever. Laptops and liquids do not mix, and a single accident could cause serious damage. To keep the laptop safe, always eat and drink far away from it. If you really need a drink nearby, use a bottle with a lid to prevent spills. And if you ever spill something on the laptop, tell a grown-up right away instead of trying to fix it yourself. Habit 2. Slamming the laptop shut. Closing a laptop with a big slam might seem like no big deal, but it can actually break the screen or damage the hinges. If the screen cracks, fixing it can be very expensive or even impossible. A laptop isn't like a book that you can just snap shut. The right way to close it is gently using both hands. Think of it like tucking a baby into bed, soft and careful. That way, the laptop stays in good shape for a long time, and Daddy won't be surprised by a broken screen one day. Habit 3. Pressing the keyboard too hard. Some kids love smashing the keyboard when they type or play games. Bang, bang, bang. But did you know that pressing the keys too hard can break them or make them stop working? A laptop keyboard is very different from a big mechanical keyboard used for gaming. If you press too hard, the keys might pop off, and once they break, typing becomes really difficult. Instead of hitting the keys, tap them lightly. If you play a game that makes you press the keys too much, try using a game controller instead. That way, the laptop stays safe, and you can keep playing without worrying about damaging it. Habit 4. Using the laptop on a bed or blanket. Laptops need air to stay cool, just like people do. But when you put a laptop on a bed, pillow, or blanket, the air gets trapped and the laptop starts to overheat. When a laptop gets too hot, it can slow down, freeze, or even shut down completely. Some laptops even get so hot that they can burn your skin if you keep them on your lap for too long. To avoid this, always use the laptop on a flat surface like a table or desk. If you really want to use it on your bed, place a hard book or tray underneath it to help the air flow properly. That way, the laptop stays cool and works perfectly. 5. Pulling the charger out fast. Have you ever pulled the charger out of a laptop really fast? Many kids do this, but it can damage the charging port or break the charger cable. If the charging port stops working, the laptop won't charge anymore, and once the battery dies, the laptop won't turn on at all. Instead of pulling the charger out roughly, always unplug it gently. Make sure the cable is not bent or twisted when you plug it in, and never leave the laptop charging all night. Also, don't wait until the battery reaches 0% before charging it. Plug it in before it dies to keep the battery healthy for a long time. 6. Downloading random stuff. Have you ever seen a pop-up that says, "Free game"? Click here. It looks exciting, right? But clicking on random links or downloading unknown files can bring a virus into the laptop. Viruses are very dangerous. They can delete important files, make the laptop super slow, or even stop it from working. Some viruses can even spy on what you're doing on the laptop. To stay safe, never download anything without asking a grown-up first. If a website suddenly pops up and tells you to click something, close it right away instead of clicking on it. A little caution can save the laptop from a big disaster. Now, you know 6 habits that can spoil a laptop. These mistakes might seem small, but if you keep doing them, they can completely ruin the laptop over time. So, let's do a quick recap. Always keep food and drinks away. Close the laptop gently, tap the keyboard lightly, use a hard surface instead of the bed, unplug the charger properly, and never download anything without permission. Here's a fun challenge for you. Go check Daddy's laptop with his permission, of course, and see. Is it on a proper surface? Is the charger plugged in the right way? Are there any crumbs on the keyboard? Let us know in the comments which habit surprised you the most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share these tips with your friends so no one accidentally breaks a laptop again. See you next time on Absolute Kids.